Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the epic king frog in Fish It Roblox. So the king frog is cool, chunky, epic amphibian in Fish It, and this unique catch is typically found in specific areas, and here I'm going to show you the locations and the road that I use. So for the road, I'm using the steampunk road in here to get the king frog, and for the location here, you can just go fish in the Fisherman Island in here. So I got the king frog in this location, so you can just try your luck and use your best rod and also bait. And as for the bait, I'm using the chroma bait. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.